Hello all, welcome to Akanksha Charitable Trust YouTube channel. Today's topic is letter series. Previously we have solved many problems and I hope you have understood what we have solved previously. So now we will solve the 11th question. That is, if forest can be written as TSROFE, then how can moving be written as? Consider the word forest. It is written as TSROFE. What have we done here? We have interchanged the positions of the letters. Unlike the problems we have solved in the previous parts, we have just interchanged the positions in these questions. In this question, letters are arranged in English alphabetical letter series in the reverse order. That is, forest is written in the reverse order except the fourth letter. There is a mistake in the PPT. It must be the fourth letter. Fourth letter is shifted to the last position, that is E is shifted to the last position, and rest of the words are written in a reverse order, that is TSROF, and the last letter will be the fourth letter, that is E. Similarly, we'll do that to the word moving. Moving, the fourth letter is I will be written in the end, and the word will be written in a reverse order, that is GNVOM, and the last letter will be I. That's how we get the answer for this question, and the answer is option 2, that is GNVOMI. Now we'll solve the next question, that is the 12th question. If HYTD can be written as JZCL, then how can RCOP be written as? So how did we get J from H? We did +2 and got J. For Y, we did +4 and got C. For T, we did +6 and got Z. We did +8 for D and we got L. Similarly, we'll follow the same pattern, that is +2, +4, +6 and +8, and solve RCOP. But here, there's a difference. Look at the question, HYTD and JZCL. But here, by doing +2, +4, +6 and +8, we'll get JCZL, not JZCL. They have interchanged the middle letters here. See here, by interchanging the middle letters, we'll get JZCL. We'll follow the same pattern, +2, +4, +6, +8 for the word RCOP, and after getting the answer, getting the result, we'll interchange the middle two letters to get the answer. RCOP, R +2 will get T, C +4 will get G, O +6 will get U, P +8 will get X. So the word is TGUX. Now we need to interchange the middle two letters. That is, TGUX can be written as T, U, G and X. So the answer is option 2. So now we'll solve the next question, that is the 13th question. If around can be written as RAUODN, how can be ground written as? If you observe the question, around is written as RAUODN. What they have done here, they have interchanged the two letters, that is 2 letters each. First 2 letters, then the 2 pairs, then 2 pairs. So what they have done, A and R is interchanged and written R and A. Next to pair is O and U, and it is written as U and O. Similarly, N and D is written as D and N. See, look here. A is written second and R is written first. Similarly, O and U are interchanged. Similarly, N and D are interchanged. So we will repeat it with ground. G and R will be interchanged. G will be written in the second position. R will be written in the first position. Next, similarly with O and U will be written as U and O. Then N and D will be written as D and N. So the answer is RGUODN, that is option 4. We'll move on to the next question, that is, if ABDC can be written as FGIH, then how can DEGF be written as? Look at the question. ABCD is written as ABDC. They have interchanged the last 2 letters. ABCD is written as ABDC. Similarly, FGHI is written as FGIH. So now look at the question. DEFG is written as DEGF. Now you need to compare the options where the series, they have the letters in the series where only the last two letters are interchanged. So if you check all the options, in the second option you will get the answer, that is MNOP is written as MNPO. Only in the second option the last two letters are interchanged. You can check the other options as well. So you will get the answer as the second option, that is MNPO. So the answer for the 14th question is MNP and O. That is option 2. Now we'll solve the 15th question. If locker can be written as KMNP, so on, how can left be written as? Look at the question. It is so big, but it is not difficult. Look at the first letter L. So if you count the number of letters in locker and the second word LOCKER, you have 6 letters, and nextly KMNPB, DJLDF, and S. You have 12 letters. So 6 is doubled, right? So according to the question, we will get twice the number of letters in the question. So consider the first letter, that is L. If we do -1 to L, that is if you write the previous letter of L, we will get K. If you write the next letter of L, we will get M. So that will be the first pair. See, L is done -1 to get K, and +1 for L will get M. Similarly with O, -1 and +1 will get N and P. Similarly with C, the previous letter of C is B, sorry. The previous letter of C is B and the next letter of C is D. Similarly with K, J and L. With E, the previous letter of E is D and the next letter of E is F. So similarly with R, -1 and +1 we will get Q and S. Now we will solve left. Consider left. We will do -1 and +1. The previous letter of L is, that is L -1, that is K. L +1 is M. E -1 is D. E +1 is F. F -1 is E. F +1 is G. And T -1 is U and T +1 is S. So the answer will be KMDFEGUS. That is option number 3. Hope you have understood this topic. If there are any queries, do comment it in the comment box, and for more practice problems, there is a link given in the description. Click on the link to enter a quiz, and finally, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.